Today I'm gonna rank the World Cup winners. Today I'm ranking World Cups to see what percentage they have. I mean not percentage, like what place they're in. 9, they're not gonna win. Japan. They're out of the World Cup, so I can't. Uruguay. 8. Oh, France are winning. France are definitely winning. Brazil, 7. Spain, kind of. Feeling 5. America, 9. Morocco, ooh, they got 3. South Korea, 4. Netherlands, I would, but it's 6. Mexico are maybe.